Hi everyone, today I'll be going over how to add, remove, and edit pages and text in Wix. So in order to add our page, we go to the left bubble icons over here. You click menus and pages, and then you click the add page button. It'll ask you to input a name. For now, I'll call it added one. There we go. And now we have a new blank page. Another option is if we go back to menus and pages, let's say I really like the FAQ page and I want to make that a starting point for a new page. I can click the three little dots and then hit duplicate. And what that will do, will create a copy of the FAQ. I'll call it FAQ2. And just so that we don't get confused, I'll go ahead and put 2 right here as well. And now I have a page that looks the exact same as the original. Now let's say I wanted to make FAQ2 a subpage of FAQ. I would click and drag FAQ2 to the right until it looks like it goes underneath the page I wanted to be a subpage of. And then you just let go. And now, if I go to preview, FAQ2 will show up underneath FAQ when you hover over it. Let's go back to the editor. If I wanted to make that a main page again, I can just click and drag it out to the left until it lines up with the other ones again. Now, if I wanted to delete a page, let's say I wanted to get rid of FAQ2, I can click the 3 little buttons on the right, click delete, it'll ask you to confirm, and there you go. Next, if I wanted to rename a page, let's say I want to rename added one, I click the 3 little buttons on the right, click rename, and I'll call it videos. Click done, and now it's called videos. The next thing I'll show you is how to add a blog page. So in order to do that, you go to the left icons, the bubble icons, you click the plus add button, and then you go down to blog and you click add to site. It might take a minute, but it will create a new page for you and input all the blog software onto it. And there we go. So here we have our own blog now. I can click and hit settings, manage posts. And when you hit manage posts, you can see all the posts you currently have. You can create a new post. So let's say I call this first post. You write your whole post here. Hello. Oops. There we go. And then you hit publish. You can also add pictures and stuff, but for now that's good. Let's say I wanted to delete a post, so I wanted to delete this whoa there post. You click the 3 little buttons on the side, and then you hit move to trash. And it will get rid of it from the lineup. Now to edit any post, you can just click, let's say I want to edit this design a stunning blog. You can just click it and it'll allow you to change any of the text. Design, let's say design the best blog. There we go. And you can just click publish and it will all be done. Now when you X out, it will update your blogs, your posts. So now you can see first post, hi everyone, design the blog post, design the best blog. Now in order to change the way it's laid out, you can click the blog, the little box that it comes in, and then hit settings. And here, whoop, not sure what happened there. Let's try that again. There we go. And here you can choose any of the layouts once again. I'll change it to box layout. There we go. And now if I wanted to delete the whole blog post, I can go over to menus and pages and then go down to blog pages over here. Click the 3 dots next to blog and then click delete. And when you delete this, it'll delete the blog page as well from your whole site. So let's go back to the videos. And let's say I want to add a video to this videos page. I can click the plus button again, go down to videos and music, and then I can choose any of these that I want. Wix videos are usually very, very good. So I recommend using one of those. I'll go with this one to begin with. Okay, and then it shows up on the current page you're on. So let's say I wanted to change the video to my own video. You click it and you hit Manage Videos. And here you can either upload a file from your computer or Google Drive, or you can also just input a link, a URL, from YouTube or Facebook or anywhere, and it'll go ahead and put it in for you. Now, if I wanted to change the way this videos are shown, the layout, I can click it and click Settings. And then click Layout, and I kind of like the strip, so we'll go with that. And now when you preview, let's try that one more time. Let's click Preview. There we go. I can choose to either play the video, or you can click the right button and it'll go to the next video. So it makes it like a sort of slideshow. Let's go back to the editor. And finally, say I want to delete it, you just click it. You can either right click it and hit delete, or you can also just click it and click the delete on your keyboard. There you go. Now the last thing I'll talk about today is how to add and edit services onto your page. So let's say I want to add it to this page. First, let's go over, rename this, say shop, done. There we go. You can click the plus add button again. And then you navigate down to the store. And here you can select one of the galleries, the way to present it. Like I said, I kind of like the strip, so I'll go with that. And it'll go ahead and put it into your website. You see? Now, let's say I wanted to edit the content on this strip. You click it and hit Manage Products. And let's say I want to get rid of this invisible. I was playing around with it a little earlier, so let's get rid of it. You go hover over it and hit the 3 little dots on the right, and then you click delete. It'll just ask you to confirm, and it will take it off of your products page. So let's go back to check, and now it's not there anymore. Let's say I wanted to add a product. Let's go back. And you can go up to the top and hit new product. I'll say, I'll call it hello there. Product info, puts the name, ribbon, recommended, price, let's say $15. And then description, the best hello ever. There we go. And you just click save. You can also add images, but I don't have any to add right now, so. And now let's exit out. And there you go, the hello there product will pop up. Now, let's say I wanted to edit one of the products. Let's say the hello there was too expensive. I go to the right again and click the three dots. Actually, I just click the product itself. And it'll bring me back to this page. And let's say it was too expensive, so I want to put it on sale. You click on sale, discount 50%. So now it's at $7.50. I'll click save. And on the page, it updates. And now we have the new thing. Now if you click settings, you can change the way that the products are shown, the layouts. You can change the text and fonts from design, the background, all that good stuff. And then if you want to delete the shop, you just click it. And once again, you just click delete on your keyboard. And it gets rid of it from your page. Thank you for listening.